Good morning. Today I want to show you guys how to make a Bavarian Leberkäse like you see right here. Now, Leberkäse is actually a product of three different things. It's beef, pork, and bacon. And what they do is they grind it super duper fine, as you can see there. And then it is baked in the oven for an hour and a half. Now, Leberkäse is also called Fleischkäse in Austria and in some other parts of Europe. It's super tasty, tastes a little bit like Spam, but much better, much fresher. And so we're gonna make this up today. So the first thing we have to do is turn our oven on. We gotta preheat it, and we are gonna put that at 140 degrees. Then all we have to do is take off this cover again, and then put it in the oven for an hour and a half. So here you can see just how fine that meat is minced down to. And Leberkäse is a bit misleading because it's not actually liver cheese. Instead, it comes from the word that originally meant leftover in a box. So that's what that is right there. There is actually no liver in the Bavarian type. Let's put it in the oven. Alrighty, in you go, and we will see you in 80 minutes. Oh, that's how it looks after 60 minutes. Okay, it has been an hour and 20 minutes, and that is what our Leberkäse looks like. Amazing. All right, and here's the exciting part. Let's cut some of this Leberkäse and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that looks tasty. Alright guys, I hope that you liked this video, and let me know, what do you think about Leberkäse? And how do you call it? Leberkäse or Frischkäse? Thanks for watching. See you next time.